kidding you guys. I've been up for like, what time is it? 4 hours? I think it's like 10 right now. But anyway, we're gonna make some breakfast. Let's go to my kitchen. I'm gonna show you guys the breakfast I eat every single morning. It gives me energy. Number one. Whoa. Okay, I forgot something. I need some coffee. But do I really need coffee? I don't know. Yeah, let's drink some more coffee. I'm not really sure if you're aware, but the only acceptable way to have coffee is sweetened with some almond milk. This one is okay. Califia Farms dairy-free almond milk creamer. I just realized this whole entire video you can hear my cat. That was my kitty meowing to get inside the house. I swear I'm not a bad mom. It's just that, you know, she cries for no reason, so I've just learned to like tune out her meow sometimes. Now that I have my breakfast making coffee made, let's work on these eggs. I got a pan. Oh, okay, so I also have these bagels. You can get full grain if you'd like. Oh, what? These are not my usual bagels. So I eat a whole bagel, just split it, pop it in the toaster while you're doing this so that they'll be done at the same time. And now our butter is sizzling, so I'm just going to spread it out. And I usually eat 3 eggs, but I have 2 bagel halves and I want to put 1 egg on each one. Now I'm going to be sprinkling some salt on top of my eggies. They have not been flipped yet, but they're like halfway cooked, you know? And look at this. They're not stuck. This salt is from Australia. I really just go in on the salt. I can't find a spatula and I'm about to burn my eggs. The spatula is too big. Oh, beautiful. All right, now I'm gonna turn this super low because I really just wanted to cook the outside, but I like when the egg yolk is like kind of liquidy but like kind of cooked, so like in the middle. Usually I would just eat it like that, but for this video I want it to be a little fancier, so I'm actually gonna cut up some avocado. Are you seeing this? I'm so concerned. I'm gonna scrape out the bad parts because I don't like wasting food. That has never happened to me before. I'm the least clumsy, always put together person. Honestly, I wouldn't have even dropped it. It's just that when the knife slipped, I actually hit my hand with it and then it freaked me out. I thought I cut my finger off. I think the worst part about this whole thing is that I got avocado on my new shirt that I just thrifted. It's fine. Unfortunately though, I tried to salvage all that I could from that avocado, but it was kind of brown all the way through. It was really mushy. I feel bad. Plus I really wanted avocado on these bagels, but it is okay. The show must go on. I keep my bagels very lightly toasted. Like I only like the top to be crispy and the rest of it to be soft. That's the only way to do it. I really just take 1 and 2. This is Lily, this is Julie. I have never seen them, well you guys haven't either, seen them in the same frame together. This is my kitty, this is my sister's kitty. Hi good girl. That is it for my meal. By the way, if there's ever any leftover egg that falls onto the plate after I'm done eating, she eats all of the rest of it. That's why every time I eat eggs, she knows where to be. I am truly such a happy cat mom right now. Hi Julie girl. So yeah, I eat this breakfast every single morning. Cereal just doesn't cut it. I don't feel energized. When I eat eggs though, I feel like I'm powered up, like I'm full battery pack and ready for my day. Granted, it is only eggs. I can kind of do it with my eyes closed now. You know what I mean? I have it down pat. My plan is flawless. Foolproof. Even a dummy could do it. And with that, I will leave you. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, and leave a comment letting me know what you thought. And that's about it. Bye! Mwah.